What's going on, my fellow Dapper? Let's talk about you being open all day long for lessons wherever, whenever, right? So let me share this real quick why I am mentioning that. I went swimming this morning and I learned two really cool things that I want to share with you today. So the reason for that is that people ask me, like, how do you come up with all your content? And I saw some strategies about look for all your challenges of your ideal client and start building. I actually don't do that. I just come up with something on the day, and that's what I'm going to talk about. And today is this one. All right, my name is Klaas. I'm the founder of Become a Fearless Father. I'm here to help all you dadpreneurs find balance in your life and work to make both of them work magically. All right, so let's talk about being open and learning lessons where you're at, whenever. So as I said, this morning I went swimming. I started a couple of weeks ago. I really enjoyed it. It's giving me a great feeling. That's why I'm so extra energetic right now. And I do that 2 times a week. Now, here comes the first one, right? You are never, ever too old to inspire somebody else. And why am I saying that? Very simple. When I go swimming, most of the people there are a lot older. And I see some 80-year-olds in there. And why do I know they're 80? Because they said so. I heard them. I got big ears, so I try to catch up some words. And one of the guys was 83, swimming there like a champ. And I'm like, man, that is inspiring. I wish that I would be able to do that when I'm 83. That's why I go swimming now, to try and get myself into shape so I can still do that when I am his age. There's also a lady in there. I don't know if she's older or not. She definitely looks a lot older. And when she swims, it doesn't look like it goes really smooth. However, she's there every single time with her bright, flowery swim cap and just swimming those lanes, trying to make it up and down. And I'm just like, wow, that is really, really inspiring. And she might not even realize it. And that's the thing. We might not even realize how much of an inspiration we are to others and how important that is. So from now on, do me a huge favor. Whatever you do, remember, there is always somebody watching. And there will always be somebody inspired by your actions. So if you're not doing it already, step up. So that's one. Second one, on a Tuesday, no, sorry, on a Wednesday, my apologies, Wednesday today. Man, the week's gone crazy. So on a Wednesday, it's very busy. They got group classes and there's only 2 lanes, one fast lane, one slow lane. And the fast lane, I'm in the fast lane at the moment, which I'm not that fast, but I'm faster than the other people. And there was a lady in there and she was going very, very slow, which is okay. Now here comes the thing. She wouldn't let others pass when she reached the end of the lane and just kept going, right? Which one man just got really, really upset. And when I saw him, he started cursing. I'm like, you cursing at me? What the hell is going on? I mean, it happens, right? How he was cursing, like he was cursing while he was swimming. I think he was even cursing underneath the water, right? And by the time that I was taking a shower, he came back in the shower, he was still cursing and he was still talking about it and he was still upset. And by the time I was done dressing myself, I still heard him in the shower cursing and yelling and talking to people and saying it was absurd, etc. Look, it's very simple. You cannot control somebody else. The only thing you can control is you. So if somebody is going slower, then you just adapt, or you pass them, or you do whatever you must to make sure that you stay calm, poised, and achieve your objective, right? And one of my objectives is not letting that kind of stuff get to me because it will ruin my day. I mean, this guy is not going to be all upset. He's going to get dressed. He's still talking about it. Then he's going to go to the lady at the reception. He's going to talk to her about it to her. Then he's going to get home and he's going to talk to her about it to his wife. She's going to get upset. Blah, blah. Now everybody has been influenced by his energy, right? Again, we are always inspiring somebody. There's always somebody that we're infecting with the way you are doing things, right? So I hope that makes sense. So pay attention to that as well, right? Inspire others. Don't be affected by somebody else, except when it is positive, right? So I want to share that with you on this beautiful Wednesday. It's sunny out. In about an hour, we're going to go play in the playground. So we're going to have tons of fun. Anyway, have an amazing day. Sorry I'm late. It's been a crazy day. However, I wouldn't change it for the world. Go inspire somebody. Take care. Bye-bye.